Okay, let's say that I wanted to change the background of my worksheet here. So all I'd have to do is go under page layout, and you see where it says, because remember, it's already got a background here. So all you're going to see is delete background. Why? Well, because you want to put of your own. So I'd say, okay, delete the background. And so now that background's gone. What does it give you now? You want to put a background on it? So then you could go select from a file. You click on it and you go choose a file. This is one of my daughters. And I say insert. So you see, that's as easy as that. All you do is go to page layout. You'll see if it has a background, it'll say, well, then you must want to delete the background to put one of your own. So that's as easy as that to set up a background on your worksheet.